Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to tell you how we're going to automate Zoom call meetings so you don't have to manually send out your Zoom link to your clients. They get a confirmation email with the Zoom link. They get sent the start date and time. They get reminded about an hour or half an hour before the meeting, so they turn up. And we're going to send internal notifications to ourselves to remind us half an hour before the Zoom meeting starts, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can do all of it top to bottom now. The first thing we need to do is get a Zoom meeting link. So what we do is go to this, obviously get Zoom, go here, go and copy invitation, go into a Word document, paste that, and there's our Zoom meeting link, okay? What we're going to do now is tell Highlevel that this is our Zoom meeting link. So go to my profile, scroll all the way down to where it says user availability, go to meeting. You can connect Zoom if you like, but I just like it having a custom. Go to custom, paste that link there, make sure your time zones are right and all this. I've gone over this in my calendars playlist, so if you've got any problems with your calendar, watch that video. Here's a thumbnail so you just have an idea. Okay, next what you want to do is then go to calendars and go to preferences and make sure this is meeting location is custom and you paste it there again. Then go to my staff and then you click on yourself. Go down to user availability and paste it in again here. So now we've done that. So now we told Highlevel what our booking link is. Let's make the calendar. So settings, calendar, then let's create a calendar. Go to round robin. Call this whatever, meeting example. Select us. Call it example, blah, blah, blah. Location, meeting duration can be however long you want the meeting to be, up or half an hour, and then you can put your timings. You can go to advanced, make sure you upload your logo here, upload that, make a circle if you want, add a description, and then here you've got a Zoom link there done again, which is good. Availability, so if you're available from 8 till 5, keep it like that, but say for example you're available from 8 till 10 and then from 12 till 2, so what you do is go 8 till 10 a.m. and then press the add arrow, then 12 till, I don't know, 2. Okay, so then that will block off those times. So what that does is that it blocks a time between 10 and 12. No one can book between those times. Then of course you can go through the rest yourself. Make sure these meeting interval or meeting duration are the same. Date range, how much in the future do you want people to be able to book onto? Maximum books in a day if you don't want more than 10. If you just want a one-on-one, if you want it to be one-on-one Zoom call, so only one person can book that slot. If you want 5 people, you can have like a class of 5 people, but I just want it one-on-one. Forms and payments, we keep that the same. Notifications, we don't need Highlevel to send an automated notification because we're going to do that ourselves in the automations tab, so we don't need that. So there it is, meeting example. Let's have a look at it. So go here, go to share, create permanent link, paste it, and let's have a look. Meeting example, here we go. If you've got any problems with your calendar, check out my playlist, going over calendars. Any problem that you have, I promise I've covered it in that playlist. So now we need to send an automation for confirmation email, the start date and time, internal notifications for ourselves, and of course reminders for the person and us. Okay, go to automations. Let's create workflow, start from scratch. Name this whatever you want. Trigger will be appointment, customer book appointment. Add filters in calendar, and then our calendar was called meeting example. Okay. Next, we want to send an internal notification to ourselves. Make sure you have the Lead Connector mobile app because that's where you'll get the notification. Okay. Lead Connector mobile app is basically an app that Highlevel gives to you for free, and you log into Lead Connector with the same credentials that you do for Highlevel, and then you have like the whole software in the palm of your hand, and you can do a whole lot of things like message back and forward. You can check your calendars and a whole lot of other things, but make sure you have that done. Internal notification will be a notification to the mobile app. Then what we want to do is go to contact full name. So let's say person's called Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi, I wish, has booked a meeting with you. So that's what the title will be. And then you could say here, contact full name has booked a meeting at, Then what you want to do is go back to appointment, start date and time, and then have it so we get notified what their details are, like their phone number and their email. Go here to contact user, particular user, make that is us. Press save. Now we want to send a confirmation email to the person that's booked on. So put your name, email, confirmation. I don't have a template at the moment. You can write your own professional email from ChatGPT saying thank you, contact first name. The booking link, what you do is go to custom values, appointment, and where is it, meeting location. So that's what they're going to click on to join the meeting. You can even add like a reschedule. It's hard to reschedule a meeting, so go to appointment, then go to reschedule, and you can also add the cancellation link as well. And also what you also want to do is once you type your little message, you got to tell them when the appointment actually is. So you go to appointment, start date and time, and these fields will all auto populate. Okay, so you can put like something like the appointment starts at appointment start and time. Bling this up a bit, I'm just showing you an example. Okay, now we need to add a wait step. Wait, then go here, click this middle one, wait until before or after event. So we want to wait before. Let's say you can change this to 24 hours before if you want to remind them 24 hours before the meeting, 1 hour before the meeting. You can change this, you can do it as many times as you like. So I'm going to say 1 hour before the meeting, I want to send, so wait, so it's good to just label it, wait 1 hour before. Now what we want to do is send another internal notification to ourselves, and this has helped me a lot because sometimes I forget that I have a meeting. So it's contact meeting, so this is to myself, contact meeting starts in 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Go here, contact user, particular user, me, save. Okay, so we've waited 1 hour before the meeting, we've notified ourselves. Now we need to notify, of course, the person that's booking. So let's send another email, or you can send an SMS. Choose whichever one you want. You can say, hey, contact first name. So you start just in your SMS or email says, hey, contact first name, it's Harris from Highlevel Harris. Our meeting starts in 1 hour. Here's a link to join the meeting. Go here, go to appointment, go to meeting location, and then save action. And of course you need to publish this and press save. To send emails and send SMS, you need to make sure you go into settings and configure the email settings and phone numbers. If you've got any problems with this, you sign up through Highlevel through my affiliate link, you get all these benefits here. You jump on one-on-one Zoom calls with me, I'll answer any questions that you have. So make sure your email services and phone numbers are set up correctly. And I guess the last step is whenever the meeting's about to start, all you do is press new meeting, join with that, and then when they join, there'll be a blue tick, then there'll be a banner at the top saying to let this person into the meeting, and then you have your meeting. Okay, so that's how it works. So that's how you automate Zoom calls with Highlevel, and it's very, very useful because you set yourself reminders, and it's just super cool. So sign up to Highlevel through my affiliate link if you want all those benefits, and yeah, thank you.